Hey Bellas, Alex here for your May unboxing. So the theme this month is cutting edge beauty, which is all about amazing and effective ingredients. So we have a whole bunch of products to get through today, so let's just get into it. The first product I have for you is one that we spoke about already in the sneak peek, which you would have seen, and hopefully you would have had a chance to opt in, and opt-ins obviously are now closed, but these are gorgeous lipsticks from Style London. As I mentioned, I work with Style London exclusively to design the packaging and also the formulas and the colors based on what I know you guys love and adore. So I'm wearing actually rosewood now, which is so nice. I love the color, it's perfect. It's one of my favorites. I'm so glad that I was able to create it. So these are a matte look, feels soft and hydrating on the lips, added vitamin E to nourish your lips, so it's, even though it's matte, it's not going to be drying. And there's 4 shades as we discussed. So I'll just take the lids off these so you can all see. So pink peony, rosewood, which is the one that I'm wearing, red velvet, and berry crush. So we've actually swatched some of these, so they're looking a bit funny, but see how gorgeous they look. So hopefully you guys got a chance to get the one that you wanted in the opt-in. If not, I'm sure you're going to love them because all the colors are honestly so wearable and so versatile. So moving on to our next product, this is one that some of you will be receiving. It's from Bioderma. So Bioderma is the queens of micellar water. Micellar water is really one of those products that not a lot of people have a good understanding of. So I'll just kind of explain where it fits into your skincare routine. So after you've taken your makeup off with your cleanser, you might want to do a double cleanse. If not, get this on a cotton round, sort of work it over your face. There's a special ingredient that makes micellar so amazing, and it's the micelles that actually pick up the dirt and the grime and the makeup off your face. So it's a fantastic way of getting your skin clean that water just can't do. So it's a really impressive product, and Bioderma is really the creators of this. So, you know, it's soap free, hydrating, and removes impurities, as I mentioned, and is suitable for all skin types. So for those of you who haven't already tried this, you're gonna love it, and if you have, this is the perfect travel size. So keeping with the micellar theme, we have the Dr. Lewin's Private Formula. So this is a vitamin-infused micellar cleansing water. This is beautiful. It's a little bit different to the Bioderma one in the sense of it's actually, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually like a gel. So it's called cleansing water, but it's got quite a different consistency, and it also has vitamin A and E infused capsules in it, which when you use on your skin, that actually bursts. So it dissolves and breaks down makeup and removes impurities from the skin. So you'll be receiving, maybe receiving one or the other. So whichever you get to try, I'm sure you will love it. So the next product I have for you, again keeping with the theme of the micellar water, is the Dr. Lewin's Private Formula Vitamin Micellar Cleansing Wipes. So again, very similar, beautiful sort of ingredients to the product I mentioned before, vitamin and mineral infused, and perfect for when you're heading away and you just need something to get your makeup off as a first or a last step, just to make sure all that grime is off, and gorgeous packaging. So the next product I have is one that is actually new to Bellabox. We haven't sampled anything from Strivectin for many, many, many years. Strivectin is a gorgeous, gorgeous brand. It's lightweight moisturizing eye formula, so it's an intensive eye concentration for wrinkles. So perfect for just around the eyes, around the crow's feet. Visibly reduces lines and wrinkles, especially those squint lines that you get. It's perfect to keep the eye area hydrated and diminishes dark circles and puffy eyes. So for those of you who get to try this one, I am really keen to see what you think. So the next product I have is from our good friends at La Roche-Posay. Now, La Roche-Posay are leaders in French pharmaceutical skincare. They're very, very impressive with what they do. This is the Effaclar Duo, which is probably one of their highest performing products. This is corrective care for unclogging and imperfections. So perfect for those of you with any acne or acne marks, oily skin, fights blemishes, and the causes of acne as well. So not just existing acne, but the causes of acne. It kills harmful bacteria and decongest your pores, which I know is such a challenge for most of us who have skin concerns. So this is an intensive treatment that nourishes and clears up the skin. So this is a 15 ml sample. Again, perfect for just popping in your makeup bag. Really, this is such an effective product, so really looking forward to hearing what you guys think of this one. So the next product I have to show you guys is one that I'm really excited about because we've never featured anything from this brand before, and also it is really, really cute. I'm gonna show you a little more close up. So this is from the brand Solly Notes. Now Solly Notes do gorgeous, really, really stunning fragrances, eau de toilettes. They're actually available from Priceline, and you can get them in a spray or a roll-on version. This is one that some of you will be receiving, by the way. So if this one is gorgeous, it smells like rose. Literally just roll it on. It's such an amazing scent. So this is a floral fragrance, but it is also for men and women, so don't be limited by your gender, I suppose. This particular one has notes of bergamot, lychee, rose, magnolia, cedarwood, and is a mild sweet scent. So it's one that I think a lot of you will love. As I mentioned, they're available in Priceline, and there's lots of different scents to choose from. So definitely recommend getting in and checking these out. So the next product I have is from our friends at QV. Now we haven't sampled anything from QV for a long time again, but it's something that I know a lot of you love because it is such a trusted, well-known brand that is fantastic for, for sensitive skin and for reactive skin as well. So this product specifically is a gentle and soap-free cleanser, ideal for extremely dry and sensitive skin. It's lightly foaming and it gently cleanses softened skin, leaving you feeling hydrated and refreshed. It contains a really high moisture concentration as well, so it's perfect to use at either the day or night, and especially as the weather gets a little bit cooler, it's perfect for just sort of moisturizing your skin. You don't often realize that your skin's dehydrated until it really starts acting up. So this is a perfect one for you to try, and a good little travel size because the full size is huge. So this 15 gram product is absolutely perfect. So the next product I have to show you guys is from Juness. It's not a brand that we have sampled before, so really excited to be bringing the Luminesque Hydra Shield Mask to you guys. It is ultra hydrating, keeps skin looking flawless, and minimizes the effects of the daily exposure to environmental toxins like smoke and smog, and protects against free radicals. So this is a product that's available online. You can get it in, it's actually not available individually, so it's awesome that we're able to try it individually because it's normally available in packs, and you can see the different pricing on the product card which you have received. But I haven't actually tried this yet, so I'm really keen to give it a whirl because I've heard a lot of good things about it. One thing to probably note when you're using it is that it does have 3 separate layers, one being the layer which you should actually put on your face, and the other 2 which are just protective layers. So don't get caught out wearing the protective layers as the sheet mask. Just something to note about this. But yes, very gorgeous brand. So many today, oh my God, let's keep going. The next one I have for you guys is from Inecto, which is a fantastic natural brand, 90% natural origins. It's got argan oil in it, so again, a beautiful ingredient. I love a hair mask, and I love how big and generous this is. So this is the full size, and it's available from Priceline. They've got the whole range there, so definitely check out the whole range. It's vegan friendly, as I mentioned, cruelty free and paraben free. 90% of the ingredients are natural. Suitable for all hair types, so no matter what your hair type, you will be able to use this one. And for those of you who don't know much about argan oil, which is its key ingredient, is it's a luxurious oil that's absorbed quickly and deeply to bring moisture back into your hair. So super excited to hear what you guys think about this. Maybe we'll get some selfies in the shower with your beautiful hair mask on, obviously neck up, but looking forward to hearing your thoughts. The last full-size product that I have for you guys that some of you will be receiving again is from Do It tough hands for her. So Do It has been known for a long time to do really great, fantastic products for moisturizing hands, especially, again, as I mentioned, this time of year. It's really cooling down in Melbourne. I'm not sure about where you guys are, but very, very important to be keeping not only your face hydrated, but also your body too. So this is an intensive hand moisturizer. It helps repair dry and dull, calloused and dehydrated hands. So it's superb skin smoothing formula, which helps soften the skin, enriched with vitamin C and sweet almond milk. This again is a full size, and there'll be a flyer featured with this product, which will give you a bit more information on the product as well. So also always good to have a bit more info on it, and yes, looking forward to seeing your gorgeous hand selfies once they're all beautifully moisturized. So as you would have realized, those were a lot of different products, so the combination that you'll be receiving is still yet to be decided. So you could be receiving any 5 of the products that I just took you through. Now we'll get started on the bonuses. So the first bonus I have to show you is Nature's Common Sense Pawpaw Body Wash. This is gorgeous, natural, includes vitamins and minerals that nourish and leave your skin smooth and refreshed. Perfect for sensitive skin as well. So you could be receiving this one, or the John Frieda Sheer Blonde Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Naturally, only blondes will receive this, so don't worry whatsoever, but this is perfect for natural blondes, people who have their whole hair dye blonde, or balayage highlights as well. So this has got avocado oil and vitamin C in it to keep your blonde locks moisturized. And the last bonus is from Akin. This includes a hydrating antioxidant day cream and a replenishing antioxidant night cream. So that was a lot of products. I hope you guys like what you see and are excited to try what you could potentially be receiving. So I just want to remind you as well, if we don't have your updated card details or shipping details, please update those ASAP, although for this month it's too late. So if there is any issues with your shipping, you will have to let us know, but it'll be active from your next box as well. So I hope you guys are excited for what you might see. If you want us to go into detail in anything, please let me know, and we can organize that. But otherwise, I'm looking forward to hearing what you're most excited about, and I'll see you next time. Bye.